13th question number 1. We have to sketch this one. We know this is a quadratic, a greater than 0. It has a minimum, and then y equals 0, x times x plus 2 equals 0, x equals 0, and x equal minus 2. So minus 2, 0, and 0, 0 are points. So you will get this kind of graph. X and this is y, and minus 2, this is minus 2, 0, and this is 0, 0, and this is the finite area covered by the curve and the axis. If you consider this distance as y, so we are integrating to find this r area y dx from minus 2 to 0. So it means minus 2 to 0, x times x plus 2 dx. It means minus 2 to 0, x square plus 2x dx. So x cube over 3 plus 2x square over 2 minus 2 to 0. Then 0 cube over 3 plus 2, 0 square over 2 minus 2 cube over 3 plus 2 minus 2 square over 2. So this value is 0. This is minus 8 over 3 plus 4. So this value is going to be minus 8, 3 times 4, 12, 12 minus 8, 4 over 3 positive. So minus times plus minus. Now this is minus 4 over 3 is not the answer. Then I can't make it equal to r. Then two options I have. I can put a minus sign here. I'll come with minus. Then I'll keep the minus, and then minus 9. Now it's fine. Or without telling this is r, you can simplify, and when you get minus 4, then you can write r equal mod minus 4 over 3, which is 4 over 3. So that is the second method. I rather like the proper way. It means minus 2 to 0. We are integrating minus 1 dx because y value is negative. We give a proof for positive. So now we can take this one out, minus 2 over 3 y dx, and we can work out like that. I think I'm going to stay with this method. Part B. When y equals 0, x plus 1, x minus 4 equals 0, x equal minus 1, x equal 4. And we know that since a greater than 0, it has a minimum. I think previous one, I can't remember what I said, but that is also a greater than 0 and minimum. Now This is minus 1 0. This is 4 0. Now we want to find this in the finite area. Let's say R. So R equal what is, we have to integrate minus 1 to 4 minus y dx, because if you select from here to here for this any point, the y value is negative. From here to here any point, the y value is negative, so that's why we are taking negative. If it is above the x-axis, it's going to be positive. Now I can take this one out now, minus 1 to 4 y dx. Minus sign is here. We'll leave that minus sign, and then y mean this is going to be, I have to expand x plus 1, x minus 4. This is going to be minus 1 to 4 x cube minus x square minus 3x minus 4 dx. So then this is going to be x cube over 3 minus 3x square over 2 minus 4x. I'll keep this minus as it is, minus 1 to 4. I sub this minus inside, minus x cube over 3 plus 3x square over 2 plus 4x minus 1 to 4. Also, there are a simple way to do. When we take this minus out, I can put minus 1 to 4, 4 to minus 1 the other way around, but I will leave this one. Okay, I will write that one and close. So x cube over 3 minus 3x square 2 minus 4x, instead of minus 4 to 1, 4 to minus 1. I took the minus 1 out. So that is also right, but I will stay with this one. So then this is minus 4 cube plus 3 times 4 square over 2 plus 4 times 4 minus 1 cube over 3 plus 3 minus 1 square over 2 plus 4 minus 1. So this is going to be minus 64 over 3 plus this is 12 over 2. This is 16 and minus this is 1 over 3. This is going to be minus 3 over 2. Actually, this is going to be negative, because this is negative and this is negative positive, because of the odd power, and then this is negative. This is right, so this is positive 4. So I think this is, I didn't take out this minus, so now we'll do it. So minus 64 over 3 plus 12 over 2 plus 16 minus 1 over 3 minus 3 over 2 plus 4. This is 3 4 square, so 16 times this is 48. So this is 48 over 2. This is going to be 24. And this is 48 over 2. This is 4 times 4. This is 16. And this other, this is minus 65 over 3. This is 24 16 plus 4 and minus 3 over 2. So you will get the answer as 130 over 125 over 6, which is 25 over 6. Y equal x plus 3, x minus 3, and when y equals 0, x plus 3, x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 0, or x equal minus 3, or x equal 3. So the points are minus 3, 0, 0, 0, and 3, 0. X is positive, x cubed, x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive, x goes to negative, y goes to negative. Hence, curve is going to be something like this. This is minus 3, 0, and this is plus 3, x. Now there are two regions, R1 and R2, two finite region. So R1 is minus 3, 0 to minus 3, 0 to 0 y dx or fx dx. So R2 is 0 to 3. This is positive y. Now this is negative y. Negative y dx. So you will take this one as minus 0 to 3 negative y dx. Now let's work out R1. R1 equal minus 3 to 0 y. We have to expand this one. This is x plus 3, x minus 3, difference of two squares, x square minus 9. X square minus 3 square times x square minus x cube minus 9x. So this is x cube minus 9x dx. So this is x4 over 4 minus 9x square over 2 minus 3, 0. Minus 3 to 0. 0, 4 over 4 minus 9, 0 square over 2. Then you have to take minus 3 over 4 minus 9 minus 3 square over 2. So we want to calculate this one. This is 0 minus, this is minus 81, minus 81 over 4. This is 9 times 9, minus 81 plus 81 over 2. This will give a plus 81 over 4 answer. Now, as I said, by symmetry, what do you think? This is 81 over 4. Do you think this is 81 over 4 as well? Yeah, it should be. So this is how you, if you want to look at in the exam, if you get this kind of sum, and if you get this side is 85 over 4, then there is something wrong, because by symmetricity this has to be the same. And yeah, if you don't have a time in the exam, you can give that kind of argument and come to a conclusion, but otherwise we have to work out. Now I can work like this. The first sum I work like this, keeping minus y. take minus, yeah, keep in minus y and simplify, and you will get a straight answer. And or there's another method to get this one. Simply, as I discussed, you can change the limit. This is minus 0 to 3. If I get rid of minus, it is going to be now 3 to 0 y dx. That is a simple way of working, but you should not get confused on it. So why I put minus? Because it is negative. So we are finding the area of a negative. You can work with negative as usual and you will get the positive. Or you can, at the initial stage, you can simply get rid of negative by switching the limit. So minus 0 to 3 mean 3 to 0 positive. Assume now you have a to b fx dx. This is same as minus b to a fx dx. I switch and I take it out. Right? If I want to go back, I'll make it positive and I change the limit. So hence this one I stay with this one. R2 equal 3 to 0 y dx. I get rid of minus value. Now this is 3 to 0. Again, what is this one? X cube minus 9x dx. This is going to be x4 over 4, 9x square over 2, 3 to 0. It means this is going to be 0, 4 over 4 minus 9, 0 square over 3 minus 3 to the power 4 over 4 minus 9 times 3 square over 2. So this is 0 and this is negative. 3 to the 4, 27, 81 over 4, and this is going to be positive 81 over 2. So this is negative 81 over 2. So minus times this is negative 81 over 4. When you simplify this one, it is going to be positive 81 over 4. Now total area is R1 plus R2. 81 over 4 plus 81 over 4, that is 81 over 2. 41 and half square unit. In summary, if we have a positive above the x-axis, above x, then it is going to be the R1 area is going to be y dx. This is A to B. If we have below the axis C to D, R2, then R2 has to be C to D negative y dx. It has to be negative. Now you can work out simply like this, or the small technique to get rid of this minus y is switching this limiting. Instead of C to D, you can come out, when you take this minus out, D to C y dx. That's all I discussed, basically, the summary. That's all. Simply you can get rid of this minus by switch in the change in the limits. Minus c to d mean d to c. Minus c to d mean d to c. Sorry, d to c. D when y equals 0, x square minus x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 0 or x equals 2. So this is a repeated root. X goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive, x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative. So you may get this one. This is a touch, and this is 0, and this point is 2. You want to find this area. Let's say this is r equal, the y value is 0 to 2 minus y dx. It means minus 0 to 2 y dx. It means 2 to 0 y dx. I get rid of minus by swapping the intervals, limits. Now, what is y? Y is 2 to 0 x square minus x minus 2 x cube over 2x square. So this is going to be x4 over 4, 2x cube over 3 from 2 to 0 equal, when you sub 0, 0, 4 over 4 minus 2, 0 cube over 3 minus 2 to the power 4 over 4, 2 cube over 3. So this value is going to be 0, this is minus, and 2 to the power 4, 8, 16 over 4, which is 4, and 2 to the power 3, 8, 8 times 2 minus 16 over 3. So this is going to be minus 4 plus 16 over 3. So minus 12 plus 16 over 3. This is going to be 4 over 3. 1 square units. Y equals 0, part E, then x times x minus 2, x minus 5 equals 0, x equals 0, x equals 2, or x equals 5. So 0, 0, 2, 0, and 5, 0. X goes to positive, y goes to positive infinity, x goes to negative, y goes to negative infinity. So this is 0, this is 2, and this is 5. There are two areas, one is R1, other one is R2. First of all, we'll expand this one, x times x minus 2, x minus 5. So this is going to be x times x square minus 7x plus 10. So this is going to be x cube 7x square plus 10x. So R1 equal 0 to 2 x cube 7x square plus 10x dx. So this is actually 0 to 2 y dx. So we'll calculate x4 over 4, 7x cube over 3, 10x square over 2. So this is 0 to 2. Then 2 to the power 4 over 4 minus 7 2 cube over 3 plus 10 2 square over 2 minus 0 4 over 4 minus 7 0 cube over 3 plus 10 0 square over 2. So this value is going to be 0. This is 16 over 4 is 4. This is 2 to the power 3 8 56 over 3, and this is going to be 2 square 4. 4 divided by it is 2. 2 times 10 20. So this is going to be 24 minus 56 over 3. So this is going to be 72 minus 56 over 3. 16 over 3, and this will become 5 1 over third. Now R2 is in a negative side, so this is going to be minus y dx 2 to 5. It means R2 equal 5 to 2 y dx. I get rid of minus. Now you will get the positive. If you don't put minus here, what will happen? Then you will get a negative answer. Then you have to take the positive value. That's all. Now from here you will get a positive answer straight. So 2 to 5. So R2 equal, I will write the final version. I mean the x4 over 4, 7x cube over 3, 10x square over 2. That is 5 to 2 now. Now 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 over 4 minus 7 2 to the power 3 over 3 and 10 x square 2 to 2 square over 2. Then this one minus 5 to the power 4 over 4 minus 7 times 5 to the power 5 to the power 3 over 3 plus 10 5 square over 2. So this is 2 4 over 4. 2 4 over 4. This is minus 5 to the power over 4. So then this is minus 7 2 to the power 3 over 3, and this is plus 7, 2 to the power 5 to the over 3. So I'm doing it differently. So I'll take these two terms together. These two and these two. So this is plus 10 2 over 2 minus times plus minus. So minus 10 to the power 5 square over 2. So then this is going to be, this is minus 2 4 minus 5 4. Then this is positive, so I will write 7 times 2 5 minus 7 times 2 3 over 3 plus this is as it is 10 10 times this is 10 2 square minus 5 square over 2. So this is 2 4 minus 4 5 over 4. This is 7 over 3 times 2 5 over 2 cube, and this is I can take this is 10 5 square. When I take 10 over 2, 2 square minus 5 square. So you can simplify from here. You don't need to come to this level. I just did the calculation to see this. So this is 15 3 over 4 you will get, and this is 5 1 over third. Then total area is R1 plus R2 equal 5 1 third plus 15 3 over 4, which make 21 over 12. Question number 2. X plus 3 2 minus x. So this is the curve. This is R1 area, R2 area. We want to need these points. So when y equals 0, x times x plus 3, 2 minus x equals 0, x equals 0, or x equals minus 3, or x equals 2. So this is going to be minus 3, 0, and 2. So now we want to find R1, this area. R1 equal minus 3 to 0, negative y dx. So this is going to be 0 to 3, 0 to minus 3, y dx. So 0 to minus 3. When you expand this one, you will get a minus x cube minus x square plus 6x dx. Now we'll integrate this one, minus x4 over 4 minus x cube over 3 plus 6x square over 2. This is going to be minus 3 to 0. So then minus 3 to the power 4 divided by 4, then minus 3 to the power cube divided by 3, and 6 times minus 3 square over 2, right? And minus then 0, minus 0 to the power 4, so 4, 0 to the cube over 3, 6 0 square over 2. So this part is going to be 0, and we have to calculate this one. This is 81. positive, negative, and 81 over 4. This is minus 27 plus 27 over 3, and this is minus 954 over 2. So when you simplify this one, you may get 15 3 over 4. That is R1. Then R2 is 0 to 2 y dx, because it is positive, it is in the positive side. 0 to 3. So this is minus x cube. Actually, I can use this one, this integration, minus x to the power 4 over 4 minus x cube over 3 plus 6x square over 2. This is going to be 0 to 2. So this is I can come, okay, I will leave it. So minus 2 to the power 4 over 4, 2 to the power cube over 3, and 6 times 6, 2 square over 2, minus minus 0, 4, 4 minus 0 cube over 3, 6 times 0 square over 2. So this is all zeros, and this is 16 over 4, and 8 minus 8 over 3, and actually this is positive. 2 times 6, 12. So your answer should be 5, 1 out of 3. So now R1 plus R2 equal 15, 3 over plus 5, 1 over third. So this is going to be in total 21 over 1 over 12. Number 3, this is the graph, and A, use factor theorem to show that x plus 3 is a factor. So x plus 3 is a factor. Then x plus 3 equals 0, and x equal minus 3 is a solution. So then when I submit minus 3 here, if minus 3 equal minus 3 cube plus 4 minus 3 square plus 11 times minus 3 minus 30. This value equal to 0. Hence, x plus 3 is a factor of fx. The same thing we did in previous sum. We didn't write f minus 3. We will substitute this one, take this is LHS, and we substitute, and we show that this RHS. That's how we did in a previous sum. That's fine. Now we have to divide this one, x cube plus 4x square 11x plus 30 divided by x plus 3. So this is x square. This will become x cube plus 3x square. Okay, this has to be minus 3x square. This is cancelled out. 7x square plus 11x. Then this is going to be plus 7x. Then 7x square plus 21x. Then minus. This is going to be 11x minus 30. Something wrong. Yeah, so 11 minus 21 is not 11, it is 10. That's the error. Now this is going to be minus 10. So minus 10x, this is going to be minus 30. So this is 0. So we factorize fx equal x plus 3 times minus x square plus 7x minus 10. Now we can factorize this one, x plus 3, 2 minus x, and x minus 5. Then when fx equals 0, x plus 3, 2 minus x, x minus 5 equals 0, x equal minus 3, or x equal 2, or x equal 5. So this is minus 3, and this is 2 and 5. This is R1 and this is R2. So this is part B, and then this is part C. Factorize completely and determine the x-coordinate of the curve intersects x-axis. This is part D, and then the final total shaded area. Now R1 minus 3 to 2 minus y dx. Now this is going to be 2 to 3 y dx. 2 to 3 now y, minus x cube plus 4x square plus 11x minus 30 dx. So minus 3 cube. Okay, I have to integrate this one first. 2 to minus x4 over 4, 4x square over 3 plus 11x square over 2 minus 30x. This is going to be 2 to minus 3 to 2, 2 to minus 3. Minus 3 to the power 4 over 4 plus 4 minus 3 square over 3 plus 11 minus 3. So this is cube 4x cube over 3, 30 times minus 3, then minus 0 times minus 2 times 4 over 4 plus 4 times 2 to the power cube over 3, 11 times 2 square over 2 minus 30 times 2. So this answer 114.7 over 12. So R1 is 114.7 over 12. Now we'll do the R2. So R2 is positive 2 to 5 y dx. So R2 is 2 to 5 minus x cube plus 4x square plus 11x minus 30 dx, then minus x4 over 4 plus 4x cubed over 3 plus 11x square over 2 minus 30x from 2 to 5. So then minus 5 4 over 4 plus 4 times 5 cube over 3 plus 11 5 square over 2, then 30 times 5 minus 2 over 4 over 4 plus 4 2 over cube over 3 11 2 square over 2 minus 30 times 2. Don't use the calculator, try to work out by hand. So you will get 29 1 over 4. Then total area is R1 plus R2. R1 is 114 over 12 plus 29 1 over 4. It means 1 over 4 means 1147 over 12 plus 29. This is 3 over 12. 7 over 12 when you factorize 1 over plus 29. So this is going to be, I think my bracket is wrong in here. So I only can take 1 over 12. This is 114 times 7 plus 29 times 3. So finally we end up with 143 or 5 over 6.